sharp bullish move to on US30 last week, as I shared, beyond 33,100. I have told you very clearly, beyond 33,100 one have to remain long, and then one can look forward to beyond 33,300. Definitely one can look forward to 33,740 levels. Precisely, it has closed the week at around 33,740. I hope you all profited. Now what is going to happen next week, which position you should take in order to make profit, what is going to remain our strategy, we will see with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. And yes, if you are missing to subscribe, yes, you are missing the profits out there, because see, don't commit this mistake. Daily I am sharing my update. In fact, one with the Asia session, once with the US session. So twice a day I share my update on US30. So don't commit this mistake by not subscribing and losing out the profits. Do press the bell icon also, so that you can remain updated. Now look at the weekly charts out there. On the weekly charts you can find, see, this was the breakout, and see, this is the fourth consecutive green candle, barring one consolidation candle last week. Now after this consolidation, this is the first green candle out there, and a bullish closing, a flat closing with the top at the top out there indicates that still there is bullishness, and then we may see it hitting 34,000 levels, the fairly strong resistance zone, and which will mark the journey, which will bring it again to the bullish cycle. 34,000 levels definitely are going to be the fairly strong resistance zone for next week. So yes, if it breaks and sustains above, I'll look forward to a little bullish move, which might bring it till towards this zone at 35,000 levels. So 35,000, then you have to just be or watchful of that, as it may try to achieve this zone. Be watchful. Now look at this. Also, this is the high of this channel in which it is trading since the high is there. So it is trading in this bearish channel since long now, and this is the high of this channel at 34,000 levels. Hence, you have to be watchful of this. Probably it can retrace any point of time. You should be aware of 33,800 next week. Beyond that, yes, you can stay long and then expect 34,000 levels to precisely provide a very strong resistance. If it sustains above 34,000, then the next target is going to be towards 35,000 levels very soon. But let's have a look into more detail and try to find out. Also, as I said, flat closing indicates the markets are bullish still. Also look at the previous two candles. See, it has changed its gradient here, and it has shown a stronger bullish candle. And this is, after this red candle, this is the first green candle. Probably it may give you couple or more green candles, which might try to take it till towards 35,000 levels. In couple of weeks or more, we may try to see it hitting this zone. So be cautious a little, in first at 34,000, then 34,500, and then at 35,000 levels. Now look at the daily charts out there. On the daily charts, see, it is consolidated fairly long at this zone between 32,500 to 33,000 levels. Almost 7 to 8 trading session it is consolidated here. With the CPI inflation data, it gave a breakout, and this was a strong bullish breakout. Probably it could have reversed from here, but then it has taken a direction on the upside, and now it is trying to trade bullish. See, this is the third green candle of this channel, and it is trying to trade fairly bullish out there. Also look at this here. See the size of the candle, and the size of the candle indicates that bullish, it is still there, but it is trying, the bullishness is diminishing out there, and hence it can try to achieve 34,000 levels, and in fact try to go further high till towards 34,200, 300, and then it may try to retrace again till towards 33,500, 33 I can say 33,400 zone, which is going to be the support zone for this. So, and yes, this is going to be the next resistance zone. Only breaking this zone, you can consider that it is going to remain bearish for further, and then 32,000 levels are going to be obvious. So this is what we can see on the daily charts. On the upside also, you must look at this, that 34,000 levels have definitely been proven to be a stronger resistance zone, and then 34,500, and then 35,000 levels, as we have reiterated multiple times now. Now on the 4-hour charts, look at 4-hour charts here. See, after the breakout from this consolidation, it has tried to see a rise, and it is trying to trade in this bullish channel. It is still bullish, and the highs of this channel, see, this is an expanding triangle so far it appears, and the highs of this channel are at 34,000, 34,200, 300 zone. Probably it may try to achieve this zone very fast and then try to retrace a little. On the downside, you must be watchful and be cautious of 33,000 400, 33,300 zone. Only if it breaks below 33,300 you can consider that this is a bearish move, and then it may try to come back till towards 33,000 levels. Now this is on the 4-hour charts. Now let's come back to the monthly candle. The monthly candle has taken a shape out there, and this is the breakout here. It is considered as a bullish breakout, and now it is looking forward to achieve 35,000 levels towards the end of the month. It is very highly possible that it may achieve this zone. And if you look at the move out there, see the previous move was almost from 31,000 to 33,000, 2,000 points. Now it is trying to look forward to 33,000 to 35,000. It is possible that it may give up the same size of candle also. If you look at the mirror, if you mirror out there, see this candle, fairly smaller body size, lower highs, and if you consider this, that it may try to give you further lower highs here. Yes, there is a possibility that it may come back till towards 35,000 levels again. Very highly possible towards the end of the month we may see it hitting 35,000. So yes, you can stay long, but then the stop loss should be here at around 32,700, 800 zone. Only if it breaks below 32,700 you can consider that it is going to remain or it is going to drop out there. Else we may see a rise. The first resistance zone is somewhere here at 34,000, 34,100, and then definitely we may see it hitting 35,000 levels towards the end of the month. So this is one observation. Now let's have a look with the help of indicators and try to find out whether the indicators are also suggestive of same. Now look at the indicators on the 4-hour chart. See, it is the second green candle, and probably it may continue, but also this is trading at the top of the Bollinger Bands. On the downside, you should be cautious of 33,400 zone. If it breaks below this, yes, you can expect it to remain bearish. It is extremely divergent, extremely bullish out there on the 4-hour charts. On the directional movement, stochastic is again overbought. It can sustain these levels before looking forward to a drop, and hence 33,800, 33,000, 34,000 levels should be watch out for. The directional MACD is still bullish. It is starting to diverge again. And if you look at the RSI, this is overbought, and hence you can expect a little drop. Later, once it achieves the high at 34,000, it can see a drop. On the daily charts, remember it is trading outside the Bollinger Bands and the downtrend channel. It indicates that there could be a retracement out there. Be cautious of 33,400, 300 zone. If it breaks below this, you can consider that as a bearish move. Then it may try to come back till towards 32,700, 800. And if it breaks below, you can consider that it is going to give you almost 1,000 points from there. And then towards the end of the month, it may come back till towards 31,700. That is also fairly possible. Directional movement on the daily charts extremely bullish. It may start to converge, and the RSI is again stochastic again entering into overbought levels. The MACD is starting to diverge. It is bullish still. RSI is overbought, and it is coming back to the overbought zones after a little while. See, previously it was this time, and this is happening after a little long, that it is the RSI on US30 has come back to overbought levels. See, this is since November 21. This is happening exactly after 10 months that US30 is seeing this overbought levels, and hence probability exists that achieving 34,000 we may see it cooling down a bit. So this is what we can see on the daily charts. Now look at the weekly charts out there. On the weekly charts, now on the downside, definitely now the support zone is here at 32,000, 32,500. Only breaking this zone, you can consider that there is going to remain bearishness. Else it may try to achieve 34,000. This is a 50-period moving average. Definitely should provide a very strong resistance. Directional movement was bearish. It is willing to cross over and enter into bullish zone. And if you look at this, the stochastic is overbought. See, since October, whenever the weekly charts, it has gone overbought. It has seen a sharp drop, and it is retraced downside. And it was only last July and August that it is sustained these overbought levels, and hence I have to be very cautious with the longs out there. It can retrace a little on the downside. MACD has crossed over. It is fairly divergent, and this is just third green candle. Probably it may continue with the green or bullish momentum. RSI is looking upwards on the weekly charts. On the monthly candle, you can find that here it's the 33,800 20-period moving average giving it a resistance here. Beyond this, we can definitely expect 34,000 levels, 34,100, and beyond that we may see 34,500, but be cautious. 34,000 definitely stronger resistance. On the monthly charts, it is still bearish. Stochastic is trying to rise a little on the monthly charts. MACD was bearish till now. It is trying to converge a little. RSI is looking upwards. So we have seen the candlestick charts, we have seen the indicators. Now let's see the trading strategy and the trading levels for next week. Where to enter, where to exit, which position we should take. Let's have a look at. First, let's talk about the levels to go long. You can go long at 33,800 itself. And yes, before I give you the trading levels and strategy, if you want to learn the same art of reading the charts, if you want to learn the same art of mastering the trades, mastering the markets and trading profitably and taking right entries and right exits, you can join my mentorship batch. 15 days, 90 minutes daily, and lifetime support is what you get. And definitely it will help you become a proficient and a profitable trader. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also join my free Telegram channel. The link is mentioned in the description, and you can be part of my signals group where just trading as per the signals. Definitely you can trade profitably. So beyond 33,800, I will look forward for it to hit 34,000 levels. This is going to be fairly stronger resistance there at 34,000. I am reiterating it again, 34,000 and 34,100. This zone is going to be fairly stronger resistance for US30. It may try to hit this once and retrace from there. Very much possible, highly likely that it may try to achieve this and retrace from there. On the downside, and yes, beyond 34,100, I'll directly expect it to hit 34,330 and 34,500. This is the next destination. 34,500, this is the next destination. It will directly achieve this. Beyond that, I will directly look forward to 34,800 and 35,000 levels. This zone now, see, beyond 34,000, 34,500, and then 35,000 you can remain long, and it can try to achieve 35,000 levels very fast before it looks over to a top. That is also very much possible. 1,000 points, 1,200 points for the US30 is hardly anything. It can cover up in a single days of move. Be careful. So yes, beyond 33,800 you can stay long, but then I see a resistance there at 34,000, 34,100. Fairly strong resistance there. It can reverse from there. On the downside, you can go short at 33,600, 33,650. Beyond this, you can expect 33,550 as the first resistance zone, 33,500 as the next and strong support zone. Below that, 33,400. See, now this is going to be the resistance zone which you have to be watchful of. 33,400, 500. It can get a support from these levels. See, we have seen it earlier getting the support from this. It has seen a rise. Probably again from this level it can try to show you rise, but below 33,400 we can see 33,300. And yes, if it breaks 33,300, it is going to be little bit bearish. Then we can expect 33,000 and 32,800. Breaking this, you can remain bearish for the rest of the month. Then I will look forward for it to achieve 32,000 and 31,700 levels towards the end of the month. So you have to be cautious for next week till 33,300 levels. It can reverse on the upside, and below that, yes, you can remain bearish, and below 32,800 levels you can definitely remain bearish for the rest of the month also. On the upside, you have to be watchful of 34,000 levels. Beyond 34,000, 34,100, it is going to give you a strong bullish move for 34,500, 35,000 levels. Towards the end of the month, we may see it sitting at 35,000 levels. So take your trades accordingly, trade profitably, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.